Hi guys, so today we're having a look at the lip contour kit from Revolution. This is an ultra matte finish liquid lipstick and lip liner. You get 30ml of the lipstick and 1 gram of the lip liner. It's available in 6 shades and it costs £6. So, what they say on the website, first of all, it's vegan and cruelty free. It says, the ultimate hack for fuller lips. A highly pigmented, long-lasting matte liquid lipstick and matching lip liner. This is the perfect lip contour duo to become your new go-to lip routine. Available in 6 shades, the creamy formula makes it effortless to glide onto the lips for a smooth application. 90% of users agreed the finish of this product did not bleed. 80% agreed it was long-lasting. 70% agreed it provided a long-lasting matte finish that did not dry their lips out and stayed on after eating and drinking. Whew. So the shade that I've got is Stunner, which is described as a nude pink shade. Now, I've obviously done a application section, which is my first impressions, but at the time I hadn't pulled the website up, and I was thinking this looks kind of orange rather than pink, and also, does it look like colour in a box? No it doesn't. So that's a little bit odd, and the box shades do change depending on which shade you've bought. So, got an application section, and I've also just noticed that their research, by the way, it was only done on 55 users, which is quite a small amount. So, yeah. Anyway, got the application section, we'll do the wear test, and we'll see how we get on. Right, let's do this. I'm going to follow the kind of lines on the box. At least for the colour and the contour. It's got a highlight section, but there's only 2 products in here, so that's what we're playing with. So the lip pencil looks maybe a little bit darker than the product, not much though. Anyway, let's try and line my nightmare lips. It's a bit orange, isn't it? It's nice and creamy and smooth and pigmented, I'll give it that. It covered my freckle. Again, if you're new, I have a freckle like right here on my lip line. It's a bit of a nightmare. And then I'm meant to kind of like fill in. That looks like I drew a butt crack. Anyway. I'm drawing less because I have a lip piercing in the way. Right, I've angled in sides as well, just to try and contour it a wee bit more. So, I hope this is less orange when it goes on. That smells chemically. Okay. Oh, it's orange. It's orange and it's looking a bit streaky. Oh god. Luckily it's not like that 24-hour one. Right, I do have a chance to work with it. And I can press my lips together to smooth it out. Okay, yeah, this is way more orange than I expected. But we'll wear it, we'll wear test, we'll see what's going on. It feels like quite a thin, wet formula. It's still not dried down. I'm going to go and film my intros, so time check, it is just after 11 and I will see you guys in a minute. Just a quick one, it's now 8 minutes past 11, so it's had like 6 minutes and it is dry now. It's a little bit sticky feeling, but you know, it's not going to transfer, so Just letting you know. Right, so I'm back. It is 10 to 5, so, you know, we're getting around the 6-hour mark very much. So let's see where we are with these lips. We're still orange, unfortunately. I think a lot of paler lipsticks are pulling orange on me these days. I don't know what the deal is. So, so we've got a bit of the whole butthole situation going on. It's transferred above my lip ring. So it's not the longest of long wear. Forgot to mention as well, did you guys see any difference with where we put the lip liner to where we didn't? Because I did not. But yeah, we can definitely see some of the cracking in texture in my lips, and I did have lip balm on before I put this on. I'm going to touch it up just to see what it looks like. I did have lunch, I had a chicken wrap, I've had some juice, I had a nap because honestly I'm just knackered. And then I'm going to go up to my parents because they're going to go away for a bit, and Flynn will miss them, so he's visiting. So. Okay, so yeah, like I'd noticed earlier, it is a very thin feeling formula, which is probably good for going on a second layer. It still looks fine, it doesn't look crusty. So yeah, I will continue to go out my day and I will be back whenever. Right, so it is 9:45, so we're getting around the 11-hour mark. No, we're not, because I reapplied, so that doesn't count. Anyway, we're back for another check-in. You guys know how long it's been. This is about the 6-hour mark, I guess, for the reapplication. Did have ribs for my dinner, so it's had a bit of a test. I actually think it looks alright from a distance, but when you zoom in, it's really quite faded on my top lip. We've got more of an outline. Bottom lip isn't too bad. The texture's looking bad. I don't know what's going on around this piercing. I keep getting dry skin flaking around it. Yeah. So I'll just leave it the way it is just now. I'm not going anywhere anyway. We'll see how it kind of continues to go. It's quite comfortable for all that my lips look a bit more chapped. But to be honest, if I had to choose between the two, I am vain. I would prefer that they looked okay and felt a bit uncomfortable. Is that awful? Anyway, I guess I could always have put a balm on top of it, but that will affect the lasting power. But we'll continue. I've got a couple of boxes to unpack and I'll be back just before I take my makeup off to show you what's left. Right, so back for a quick final check-in. It is 11:45. To be honest, there's not a lot of difference to the last time I checked in, so that's that. So where are we at with this? Value for money, yeah, you're getting 2 products, so that's pretty good. If you find a shade you like, that's fine. While this smelled chemically kind of in the tube, you don't smell it once it's on. I think there's meant to be a chocolate scent behind the chemicals. There's like an after scent of it. But yeah, I am slightly disappointed by the colour mismatch. So this colour would have been really nice. I'd have been really excited about it. This colour I don't see myself reaching for. I've got way too many kind of browny, peachy, orangey things going on, and they're not my go-to anyway. I don't know how I've ended up with so many of them. Anyway, I'm not excited about it, but if you find a shade that you like, it's good value for the 2 products. They do last reasonably well. I've encountered lip products that last longer, but they're a bit more uncomfortable, so it kind of balances out that way. But overall, I have to say it is a good product, so that is that. If you've got any questions, leave them down below and I will get back to you, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.